3D graphics. The creation, display, and manipulation of objects in the computer in three dimensions. 3D graphics programs allow objects to be created on an XYZ scale, which is width, height, and depth. As 3D entities, they can be rotated and viewed from all angles, as well as be scaled larger or smaller. Applications of 3D graphics: animation and visual effects, video games, web design, virtual reality, augmented reality, and 3D printing. 3D graphics mostly used in animation and visual effects. It is commonly used in films, television shows, video games, and advertisements. It typically involves modeling, texturing, bridging, creating skeletons or characters or objects for a smoother video game or video game experience. Animating and rendering when it comes to animations and visual effects. 3D animation can range from realistic to stylized depending on the desired aesthetic. In video games also, 3D models are used to generate characters, environments, items, and even full universe, full universes. Every great game needs immersion, and 3D modeling is a wonderful way to improve great gaming graphics and keep the players engaged. The role of mathematics in graphics. Graphic design and mathematics are intertwined in numerous ways, creating a powerful combination that can help designers create visually appealing and balanced designs. From geometry to color theory, from the golden ratio to typography, mathematics provides a foundation for many design concepts. Linear Linear algebra. Linear algebra is a branch of mathematics that deals with linear equations and their representations in vector spaces, which these vectors which we will tackle later. It is used in computer graphics to perform transformations such as scaling, rotation, and translation. As you can see here in linear algebra, it is very useful when it comes to creating video games or in animations and visual effects as it is used, it's said to be used in computer graphics to perform scaling, rotation, and translation.